Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Sam Lin, just your ordinary home cook. Since COVID, I've been spending a lot of time at home, especially in the kitchen. I'm really passionate about cooking sustainably, cooking on a budget, as well as minimize food waste. That's why I started this YouTube channel, wanting to go on a journey with you guys with my cooking. Today, I'll be showing you my cost breakdown of egg on toast. It's such an iconic cafe food. Without further ado, let's jump right into it.
First of all, grab your saucepan of choice, ideally a slightly deeper one so your eggs have got room to move around. Also, that's what she said. Load it up with water, gas on, and now we add a dash of vinegar. That is the key to poach some really good eggs. The acidity helps holding your egg whites together. Next up, I've got some homemade sourdough. It's a bit of a learning curve to get started, but once you got what works for you down pat, it's so simple to make and it's so affordable. When putting sourdough away, I like to put the cut sides together, wrap it up tightly in a kitchen towel and keep it in my bread bin, just so the bread is not losing moisture too quickly. When the water is boiling, turn the heat down and swirl the water to create a vortex. That is where you want to drop your eggs in. For normal sized eggs, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes to poach some perfect running eggs. Once the white is set, you can turn the heat up a bit to let it just boil away. When the eggs are done, fish them out and put them on the chopping board. Many recipes would tell you to put them on some paper towels. Do they make your eggs a little bit drier? Yes. Is it necessary? Not really. Is it wasteful? Yes. Now it's time to plate up. Toast on, egg on, and your desired condiment. 6 cents for sourdough, 30 cents for egg, 1 cent for condiment, 5 cents for the dash of vinegar that we used. Altogether, 42 cents for egg on toast. Or would you rather pay $10 from a cafe? The choice is yours. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.